In this video, we will take a look at the warm-up and workout problems associated with the order by clause. Presented in front of you are 7 queries that explore different aspects of the order by clause. Please pause this video and take some time to finish these queries out. Unpause this video to watch the solutions to these queries. Let us now attempt these queries. Since these queries are on the Classic Models database, let's start by using the Classic Models database. We can see that our Classic Models database is the active database. The first query asks you to list the customer name and the country of the customer and to order the results by descending order of the customer's country. So we shall select the customer name and the country from the customers table. To order the results, we say order by, and we want to order the results by the descending order of the country. Descending order means Z to A, as it were, reversed order alphabetically. And so order by country, DESC, semicolon at the end of that, gives us USA up top first, and then the other countries ending with A, Australia. The next query asks us to list the check number and the amount ordered in the ascending order of amount on the check. So check number and amount are columns in the payment table. So we shall be selecting check number and amount from the payments table and ordering the result by amount. And since we want amount in ascending order, we're just going to add a semicolon because the default ordering is ascending order. And we see that the values of the checks go up starting at 615, going all the way up to this value 120,000. The next query asks us to list out first and last name of employees ordered by the last name alphabetically. So we want to select first name and the last name from the employees table. We want to order the results by the last name. Alphabetically means A, B, C, D. That's in ascending order. So we shall just leave order by last name, semicolon at the end of that. And so we get the last name in ascending order. The next query is a little bit more complicated. You're asked to list out the names of products and the MSRP and buy price if the product is a type of classic car. And so we have now a condition over here. We have to select the product name, the MSRP, and the buy price of the product. These 3 columns are from the products table. Now we want those products that are classic cars, and so we need to add a where clause over here. So where we say where product line is equal to classic cars. Now we do have to order the results. The order by clause always goes at the end of the query, and so in this case the order by clause comes after the where. So we order by the MSRP in descending order, and I shall add DESC for the descending order of MSRP. And so we get the descending order of the retail price. The next one asks us to list out the names of customers from the USA and their credit limit. So we want to select customer name and the credit limit from the customers table. To make sure that the customers are from the USA, we shall add a where country is equal to USA. And I want to display from the highest to the lowest credit limit. Highest to the lowest is descending order. Order by credit limit DESC. The next query asks us to list out the product name and MSRP of products whose scale is 1:18 and whose description contains the term replica. And the results need to be presented in the highest to lowest of MSRP. So again, this is a little bit more complex query. So we're going to be selecting, in this case, product name and the MSRP of the product. And so these are columns in the products table where the product scale is equal to 1:18. Product scale is variable character data type, so it's going to be within quotes. And the description contains the term replica. There is one specific clause that allows us to look for a term within something else, and that is regular expressions. And so I shall say, and product description. And product description, if you take a look at the products table, is what is the description of the product. Regular expression, replica. Order by MSRP, highest to lowest, and so that is descending order, gives us the following products. And the last one asks us to write a query to list out the names of USA-based customers, their city and state. Present the results ordered by state in ascending order and city in descending order, and customer names in ascending order. So we have a little bit more going on over here. So we want to list out the customer name, the city and the state of the customer, if they are USA-based customers, so where the country is equal to USA. Now I want to present these results in a specific way. I want to order the results by state in ascending order, so I shall leave state as it is, city in descending order, and customer name in ascending order. And so if you run this, you see that state is in ascending order. California, then Connecticut, and then Massachusetts. So going up in ascending order, city in descending order. And so city in descending order within the state California, we see San Rafael. S is our first, and then that goes down. And customer name in ascending order, take a look at New Haven. New Haven goes American to superscale, so customer name is in ascending order within the city. This concludes the warm-up and workout exercises associated with the order by clause. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much.